So I'm just starting the week right now. I woke up like an hour ago and me and Adham did some stretches. We did a quick workout and I had my breakfast. I got these like the cereal thing for breakfast that I've been eating. It's like wheat. Comes in these packs and it comes in like 3 little wheat boxes. I'm gonna insert a picture of what it looks like here. I realized that I actually don't like having a heavy breakfast. It makes me feel so heavy in the morning. So yeah, I just had that for breakfast. The stretches were amazing. So I've been using an app for working out. It's called Fit On. This is it right here. So this app is amazing. The reason why I like it is because it has so many different types of workouts. So there's like endless types of stretches that you can do. There's Pilates, there's kickboxing, basically everything that you can possibly dream of doing when it comes to a workout, it's there. The first workout that I actually tried to do from that app was Pilates, and I really liked it because it's slow movements but it's very intense and it like isolates your muscles. Anyway, so we did a quick Pilates workout this morning and then we did some stretches. We put our Christmas tree up. Oh, Christmas tree, oh, Christmas tree. It looks so cute in the camera. Wow. We got a mini Christmas tree because obviously we don't have a lot of space, so I didn't want to have one that's so big and then we're not able to pass by it. But the exciting other thing that's happening today is our couch is coming. So it's actually it's supposed to get here in like 2 hours or maybe like 2 or 3 hours. So we have to empty the storage that's in this couch and then we have to undo it, and then once the new couch comes we'll just put that together. For now I'm gonna take a shower because I still didn't take a shower after my workout, and then I have to start working on the trend a little bit so I can get some work done before the couch arrives.
You were the laughter early in the morning, down in the kitchen watching TV. You were the music that led me to the 6th string, and now it's been so long since I've heard you sing. I looked up to you, brother, even when you lost your way. In the madness of New York City, oh, you found her. Now I know there's hope for me. You told me the story of how you met each other. Manhattan for coffee, first stop Astor Place. 5 years later, you walk into the altar, and now she's gonna share off.
So it's currently 11 a.m. right now. I kind of got a late start to my day because it's just Monday, and Mondays are always a little bit overwhelming for me because I feel like I have so much to do during the week. So what I like to do on Mondays is I usually don't schedule any phone calls or any meetings or anything like that, and I just kind of take the time, especially in the morning, to basically spit out all of my thoughts onto paper and then organize my week and see how my week is gonna go. So that's kind of what I'm gonna do right now. I just finished taking a shower and we're gonna have our sofa delivery in supposed to be an hour or 2 hours. So I made my coffee and I'm gonna start basically jotting down all the things that I have to do. So that basically includes all the content that I have to take, all the videos that I have to edit, all the videos that I have to shoot and film, the pictures that I have to take, everything like that. So today I usually like to kind of try to film all of my videos and my content on sunny days. I do live in Toronto and the weather here sometimes is just so gloomy. Yeah, I'm super excited for the couch to arrive. I really think it's just gonna change the whole look of the place, and I feel like I've been waiting to buy a lot of things. Like, I've been waiting for my couch to arrive before I get them, because I'm not sure if they're gonna match or they're gonna go once the couch gets here. But I really like the choice that I made with the couch. So yeah, so I had put kind of a deposit down on a couch from a Montreal brand, and that couch looked amazing. It was exactly what I wanted. I'm gonna insert a picture of it here. It's what I wanted is basically a dupe of the Cloud couch from Restoration Hardware, but I wanted one that was apartment sized. So that was almost impossible to find here in Toronto, and especially impossible to find on a good price. Like, all the ones that I found were super expensive, around $4,000, $5,000, and honestly, I do not want to spend that on a couch right now. But the issue is that it was back ordered and it kept getting delayed. So it got delayed around 3 times. And then when I called the company, so they delayed it again, actually recently, around a few weeks ago. When I called the company again to ask them, you know, are you guys sure that it's gonna arrive in January? And honestly, I already don't really want to wait a month and a half for my couch to come, because it's like the thing that I spend my most time on, and I sit on it all the time. I really want a nice one, and I want it like soon. I've already been waiting like 3 months for it. Anyway, when they said they were gonna delay until January, I called them and they said, well, it's not even for sure that it's gonna arrive in January. It might be delayed even more. So yeah, I just decided that I didn't want to wait for that couch, and I found one in IKEA that was pretty much the same thing, and I can get a cover for it. So it was actually cheaper than the original couch that I wanted. It has storage, it can turn into a sofa bed, and I can get an extra set of covers for it. I ordered it 5 days ago and it's gonna arrive today, so super quick. What else do I have to say? Oh yeah, so over the weekend, or no, not over the weekend, last week actually, before the weekend, I had Adham take out my tape and extensions. It was actually very funny having him take them out. He hated them. He's like, this is the worst thing I've ever done in my life. It was super annoying, and that's because the glue that was used to put in my extensions when I had them done in Egypt was, I don't know if it was like bad quality or what was wrong with it, but basically the extension would come out and then the glue would stay in my hair. So it was just an absolute disaster to even remove from my hair. It was horrible. I just noticed the amount of hair that fell out. Like, I had lost so much hair from these tape and extensions. They were so damaging to my hair. Yeah, so I don't have any extensions in right now. My hair is just tied up. Let me see if I can show you what it looks like. I just want to get it thick, nice and thick again. So I mean, I just came out of the shower, so it's looking a bit messy right now, but this is what it looks like. It's not that bad, but I mean, I have super fine hair, so I just cut it short myself. If you guys want a tutorial on how to cut your own hair, I can do that for you, but it was super easy because I just did it one length. Yeah, I just ordered some clip-in extensions, and I'm probably just gonna have the extensions be around the same length as my hair, because I mainly want it for volume.
Family's name. I looked up to you, brother, even when you lost your way. In the madness of New York City, oh, you found her, and now I know there's hope for me. I know there's hope for me. I know there's hope for me in the madness.
Kind of dark. Do you remember how to undo it, huh? Wait, we have to empty it, Ken. We have to empty this. Oh! There's stuff that we can keep right up for the storage of the other couch. Oi.
دول ينسوا برضو خليها مع حاجاته.
بس الحاجات دي نبقى نرجعها الكاوتش الثانية and then we take it to the locker. We still didn't get the box. We still need to get a box. دول I don't see any point.
ده بتاعي. دي for your camera.
So this stuff will keep.
دول زبالة.
madness, wherever I may be. Love is something you two make me believe. A basement in Brooklyn, the first day I met her. I could see it in your face, she was all that you need. I knew from the moment she was begging you to just sing. She'd be my sister and she would be your everything. I looked up to you, brother, even when you lost your way. In the madness of New York City, oh, you found her, and now I know there's hope for me. Yeah, you found her, and now I know there's hope for me. 'Cause love is something you two make me believe.
2 days later.
I don't remember where I stopped last time, to be honest, but I'm pretty sure we were undoing our couch. So the couch has actually arrived and it took us around an hour, no, 2 hours, probably 2 hours or maybe even 3 hours to put it together, but it looks so good. So here it is. I'm gonna link the exact couch that I got below, but this one is actually from IKEA. And as I said originally, I had one very similar to this ordered and it didn't have any storage. It wasn't a sofa bed, so I'm actually very glad that we ended up with this because it has a full-on, like, almost queen. No, can you know? Wowzers.
Huh? Looks amazing, huh?
It does look amazing.
Yes, right.
خلاص, now we can start?
I have to put it in the oven.
I know, it looks amazing.
Already it looks so nice.
Yum.
Sorry?
Absolutely. Oh my god, it looks so good. Yum, it looks so good.
هقول لك ايه، مد بتاعه ابتدي تسخن، هندوق الشوربه لو حلوه ماشي، لو مش حلوه هزود ملح واقلبها.
Okay. This is a day in Adham's life. I don't know how we did all of this with no water.
Survival.
With the water cut out. Survival skills. Camping skills, baby.
Military skills.
Military skills. Okay, so as I was saying about the couch, it almost has a queen bed inside here. So even though the bed is, no, seriously, stop now, seriously, stop making noises. Seriously. It's too much. So when the bed pulls out, it basically almost touches the TV. So I don't know if we're going to be able to use it much while we're in this apartment, but this couch will remain with us for whatever apartment we go to next, so it should be fine. But I love it. It's super white. We just need to get some cushions over here. We're thinking like some dark gray cushions to tie into the table. Also here, I ordered this from Amazon and I like it, but I feel like it still needs maybe a book under it, a candle, needs something to be put inside, maybe some beads. So I still have to kind of research a little bit what would look cute. I'm getting a lot of inspo from Pinterest. So yeah, this was a little bit expensive, to be honest, for what it is. I thought it was going to be a bit bigger than it came. I just had an idea of kind of putting like a big long piece right here. And then obviously I want to switch out everything that's in here because it's just a bunch of gadgets that don't really look that good. And then we also got this pampas. pampas grass. I think this looks really cute. We actually had some different pampas right here, but since we got the mini Christmas tree, I think it just looks a little bit too crowded right there when we have the pampas and the Christmas tree. So I ordered some smaller pampas from Amazon. I feel like I said pampas so many times, it sounds weird. But I ordered the smaller pampas from Amazon so that I can put it here. I've also put it over there at the very top. I don't know if you can see that. And this we actually got from Facebook Market for, I think it was like $15 for this. And then, no, the whole thing with the vase was for $25. But I love it. I think it looks really cute. And yeah, I think the living room is coming together a little bit. It looks nice, and the couch is actually super comfortable, so I think the more that we sit on it, the more soft it gets, but it's very comfortable, it's very big and very deep, so I really like it, but I'm still gonna get someone to spray it, so I'm looking into that now for somebody to come in and spray this and spray my armchair and probably spray my headboard as well. So that is it, you guys. I'm probably not gonna really do much else for the rest of the day. Today I just took some pictures. I was supposed to have a shoot, but the water is cut in our apartment right now, so I had to postpone my shoot. So I don't think I'm gonna do much more. I'm just gonna be kind of sitting down, editing this video and editing my pictures and all of that. So I'm gonna end the vlog here, but thank you guys so much for watching. And I know it was kind of all over the place, but hopefully when I put it all together, it makes sense. And thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.